Do you want to know how to make money online? In this video, I will show you some great ideas I use to make a full-time income from home. Making money online is a dream for many people, and in this video, I'm going to show you how it's done. Whether you're looking for a full-time income or just some extra cash, I'll show you the best ways to make money from home. So please sit back and relax, because in this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about making money online. 1. Start a blog. Blogging is a great way to make extra money while having fun. Blogs can be created around any topic, such as home cooking, travel, fashion, and hobbies. Once the blog is running and gaining attention, monetizing it with ads can quickly generate passive income. Blogging takes time, anywhere from a few days to months, depending on the commitment, but once the foundation is in place, you're soon rewarded with readers and money. Making money from your blog doesn't have to be complicated. It requires consistency, creativity, and a love for writing. With all that aside, starting a blog today could easily mean becoming an online success by tomorrow. 2. Write articles for other websites. Writing articles for other websites is a great way to earn extra money. It can be done on your own schedule and is an ideal way for freelance writers to find consistent work. By taking the time to research topics and write articles, you can generate an additional income source that requires minimal effort. Moreover, articles are an excellent opportunity to explore different subjects and sharpen writing skills while potentially earning money. With articles, you have the potential to develop yourself professionally while providing value to others at the same time. 3. Create and sell ebooks. Selling ebooks is a great way to earn money while being your own boss and setting your own hours. With an ebook, you can create content that readers worldwide will enjoy. Whether it's a fiction story about dragons or a non-fiction book about building cars, there's potential to earn money from selling your creative work in the form of an ebook. Once you have written and compiled your work into a digital format, you can create an online platform to promote and sell your masterpiece. From there, it's just a matter of finding the right audience and marketing carefully to earn money through ebook sales. 4. Create online courses. Creating online courses is an increasingly popular way to earn extra money. By creating comprehensive guides and videos, individuals can make a decent income by giving valuable information to their audience. With lower costs, there is potential to build multiple courses within any niche. Popularity has been on the rise due to technological advances, which make it easy for anyone with a good idea to share their knowledge. No matter your skill set, you can create something valuable if you structure the course correctly and deliver great content for people looking for solutions. It may require hard work initially, but doing some research and learning from experts will help you create something that others are ready to pay for. 5. Sell digital products such as photos, music, or videos. Selling digital products can be an excellent way to earn money from your skills and hobbies. With just a few clicks, you can quickly create products like photos, music, or videos that you can offer to people who may otherwise not have access to them. It's also an excellent way for businesses to show off their services or for photographers and musicians to share their work with the world. The options are virtually endless for selling digital products in today's day and age, so why not get started and earn yourself some extra cash on the side? 6. Provide freelance services online. If you're looking for a way to earn money from the comfort of your home, offering freelance services online can be a great option. Whether writing, creating art, designing websites, or providing virtual assistance, there are plenty of opportunities to use your skills and talents and make an income. All you need is a computer, internet access, a drive, and enthusiasm. With the right attitude and some hard work, offering freelance services online can help you bring in extra cash quickly and easily. 7. Use social media to make money. Social media can be a great way to earn money. Many people now use it as part of their income. Whether you have an existing business or product, or looking to create something new, leveraging the platform's user base gives you access to markets you may not have had access to before. There are many ways to earn money using social media, such as blogging, affiliate marketing, offering services, selling products, and accepting donations. For those just starting, it is essential to consider your target market and what makes them different from your competition. Once you have that information, you can start reaching out and increasing customer engagement. With hard work and consistency, lasting success can be achieved. 8. Invest in cryptocurrencies. Investing in cryptocurrencies is one of the most exciting and potentially lucrative ways to earn money. With the rise in the values of key digital coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, many are taking the plunge into cryptocurrency markets. Not only does investing in these markets have the potential for high returns, but it also doesn't take much know-how to get started. Whether you're a tech-savvy investor or just a curious beginner, there are many investment opportunities available to earn from. You need an internet connection and basic education about currencies and exchanges to start investing in crypto markets. Take advantage of this chance to make big money. Give crypto investing a try. We've just discussed 8 different ways to make money online and offline. So whether you're looking for a new way to earn some extra cash on the side or want to start your own business, there are plenty of opportunities out there that can help turn your goals into reality. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this one. I'm always sharing great tips and strategies about how anyone can make money from home. So be sure to take advantage of this. Thanks again for watching. Until next time.